Well, good morning, Homestead family. Today's going to be another day that's going to be an exciting chapter in the journey here, our new homestead here in Florida. Is we're getting ready to get started on our container garden, and the first thing I've got to do is set up an area to store all of our containers because we get a lot of containers. So stick around and let's get together on this journey and let you tag along with us and see what all's involved in that. We'll be right back.
This video covers setting up a container garden storage area.
Well, welcome back. My little brother, well, I keep calling him my little brother. He's 54 years old and about this big. But he saved me a bunch of pallets from when he was doing, throwing sod. And so he had a bunch of leftover pallets he saved for me, as well as a bunch of containers and, from plants. So now I've got the pallets that I need, and I'm going to go out here in the edge of the woods that's on the back end of our area that we're designating for our containers, and I'm going to set up a little container storage area that's conveniently located in the shade so they're not beat up by the UV light from the sun, and it keeps them cool, pretty moderately cool, and they're convenient to get to. And they're out of the way, so they're not clogging up the barn or anything. So let's go right over here and let's get this job started. All I gotta do is clear out some few saplings, chainsaw them out of the way, throw them in the burn pit, and cut a new road in that goes down the side over there so I can access it with the golf cart. And then we'll set up the pallets, and we're in business. Well, we're starting to be in business anyway. So let's get started. Well, I just got through cutting in the new areas for the containers, and thought I'd give you a little view of what the end result was. This area right here is the first area when you come into my new road that I just cut, and it's got plenty of storage. I've almost got all my containers out and filled it out. And let's walk over to the second area that I set up this morning. And I haven't got all the containers out, but the pallets are in place and they're ready to go too. So let's walk over here and check it out. Here's the second area that we did. Y'all were watching me on the video preparing this one. This is the one we were clearing out on the video earlier. And I got the pallets. I got 2 good rows of them right here and another couple back here. That gives me, let's see, 4, 7, 8. I got 9 more storage pallet areas here, so I can go out to the barn and get the rest of my containers and put them out here to make room for another project I'm doing in the barn. So we got this set up. I'm looking forward to it. And also I cut in a new road right here and another road that goes back to where I'm going to be putting the drying tables for my onions and my garlic. And we're also going to tie in the other golf cart trail to the end of that road. So we'll take a ride around on the golf cart and just show you the new roads and how they look. I like this road here because I can come in and I can grab containers from the first spot and from the second spot, or put them back, whatever I want to do. When I come through, I can come right here, go down this road, and it comes out to the area where we're going to have our container grow tables all set up. That area right out there is designated for, there's a big area designated for container gardening. So let's jump on the golf cart and take you a ride around, and I'll show you the area that we got laid, set aside for the container garden, and that way you can see the new roads. Hop on. Well, this is where the road comes out. If you'll look right over here at this field that I've been working on, I would say there's 300 feet long and probably maybe 75 feet wide. This end down here is going to be the container garden. So we're looking forward to getting that going, and that having this road come out right here is convenient. So when I run over there to get containers or return containers when I'm through with them, I can use this road and come out right where it's conveniently located. So I thank you for joining me this morning on this little project that we worked on today. I hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to getting the container garden up and running. And so if you like our channel, be sure to subscribe and be a part of our YouTube family and our homestead experience of bringing this place to life. And so until me and Nancy see you next time, always remember, by His hands we are fed. Give us, Lord, our daily bread. Amen.
Have a blessed day.
Thank you for watching our videos. We love making them. If you like our videos, we ask you to partner with us in our mission by sharing our videos from YouTube and post from Facebook to all social medias. It really inspires and encourages us. Some great places to share is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Please like if you like this video, subscribe, click the notification button so you never miss another video. Click below for products we used in the videos, and you could also partner with us without spending a penny. We welcome your encouraging comments, prayers, and questions. And thank you for watching and sharing our videos and posts. Have a blessed day.